A buttery biscuit with jam and chocolate on a clean low-carb diet? Yes! Treats like this kept me keto, especially in early days. Watch me make it. It's so simple. That's about a tablespoon of butter melted. This is 1 egg. And I'm just pouring it in there. Oops. 3 tablespoons of almond flour. 1, 2, 3. And now, baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Comes out very hot. I don't know if this is capturing the steam. There we go. And looks very unappetizing and smells eggy. Don't worry about it. Medium heat over a small skillet, and throw in some butter. And while that's melting, and slice it in half, which I cannot do one-handed. Oh, look at that. Nooks and crannies, almost as if it were an English muffin. It still looks unappetizing. It still smells bready, eggy. You will not be tempted to eat it like this. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to. Let your butter sizzling. I cut these very uneven, very fat and very thin. Oh dear. But you're just going to take a minute and fry them in butter, both sides. I just use tongs. Yeah. Oh, looking lovely, lovely. Golden brown, there we go. Sizzle, sizzle. Say hello to Charlie. Oh, oops, there, sorry. Look at how beautiful that is. Get this guy before he's overdone. Oh, lovely. Shut your pan off. Now, these are delightful with just a little added butter on top. They are also delightful with a little cheese on top. They are delightful to be used as a bread for making a sandwich. Throw in some Swiss cheese and some turkey. But if you are craving a sweet treat, I go for some sugar-free jam. This is not actually my favorite. I'm not going to tell you brands, but there are sugar-free jams out there, and you're still going to have some carbs, maybe 5 carbs per teaspoon. So it's a little bit of a treat. But it's made with egg and almond flour, so it's also got some protein and natural fat in there. But here we go. You want to elevate it even further? I'm doing this right away. I'm just sprinkling on. Charlie, it's not your dinner time yet. What do you have to say? You hungry too? Some Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips. This is divine.